When I came to St. Lucia, I was amazed not only by its bountiful nature and abundant green scenery, but also by the craftsmanship that has been passed on through generations. In St. Lucia, the majority of the population still lead a very simple life, especially in the south of the island. However, the local people have a lot to share, including a fresh view on some of our Western practices. In the current transition period, from yesterday's hardship to today's excesses, it is a place to be both discovered and protected. The cottage I built there is spacious, welcoming, environmentally friendly, and open to the outside world to encourage exchanges. The open space of the common areas was designed to allow both meditation and movement. What is happening today in this small corner of the planet is far from a coincidence. It is the result of a long quest. What I like above all is to create synergies by organizing unlikely encounters that give everyone the opportunity to let go, to step back, and discover new perspectives on the world so as to be able to experiment with new ways of looking at their own problems and pursuing their own goals. This is precisely what we do in our workshops. By creating links, we allow everyone to gain energy to move forward with confidence according to their own aspirations. I am delighted to have met Adrien. When he agreed to come and introduce Biodanza to St. Lucia, I knew something magical would happen. Indeed, something magical happened. Because when I met Kaï Papaï's owner, she came to a class I was giving in Martinique. I then felt the overflowing energy and power coming from this woman. Indeed, something happened, because sometime later, she invited me to come to St. Lucia and lead a workshop there. I was really amazed by the great hearts and simplicity of St. Lucians, which we ourselves are losing more and more. So I really enjoyed leading the workshop. The workshop we will lead from 27th of November to 1st of December focuses on 3 different disciplines. Sylvie Galbert will open with Qigong. Mega Kulkarni will continue with yoga. And I will close with Biodanza. Biodanza is a truly propitious technique to awaken the potential that we have in us and to truly radiate the light of the heart that we carry. It was through Biodanza that I met Sylvie, the owner of Kaï Papaï. She then asked me to come and lead a workshop in St. Lucia in my discipline, which is Qigong. I immediately joined because I really want to share this ideal energy practice to preserve or regain health by allowing vital energy to flow harmoniously through the body. I had just accepted Sylvie's proposal when I met Adrien by chance. This meeting was all the more magical as we came directly to one another without knowing each other, as if we knew we would team up to lead the workshop in St. Lucia. At the end of November, I will be offering a Qigong practice that is specific to heart health. In Chinese medicine, the heart is linked to joy, one of the emotions. We will also work with Biodanza. Qigong and Biodanza are very complementary because these 2 techniques promote the development of hidden potentials and vital energy through movement. Sylvie, Adrien and I will be there to lead the workshops and accommodate your needs throughout the 4-day course. All 3 of us will participate in all the workshops and will be with you to share wonderful moments throughout the transformation process you will experience. See you soon. See you soon in St. Lucia. We'll be happy to see you there.